Why are some energy storage systems more expensive than others? Factors such as raw materials, economies of scale, and logistics costs have a significant impact on the final price of a BESS system. In this video, we will analyze how these elements determine the cost of BESS systems and explore strategies to optimize the profitability of your projects. The price of raw materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel plays a crucial role in the cost of lithium-ion batteries. Key factors are lithium price volatility. In 2021, the price of lithium increased by more than 400% due to growing demand for electric vehicles (EVs) and limited mining capacity. Cobalt dependence. Cobalt, mined mainly in the Democratic Republic of Congo, is expensive and presents ethical challenges. Technologies such as LFP are reducing this dependence. These factors directly impact fluctuations in the cost of raw materials and therefore the overall price of BESS systems. Mass production in gigafactories has led to lower manufacturing costs per kilowatt-hour of batteries. The key factors are gigafactories. Facilities such as Tesla's Berlin facility take advantage of economies of scale to reduce costs, automation and standardization. More efficient processes have decreased production times and optimized cell quality. These improvements make BESS systems more competitive and accessible to developers and investors. The total cost of a BESS system includes not only battery manufacturing, but also transportation, installation, and regulatory compliance. Key factors are transportation. Moving bulky batteries from Asia to Europe can account for up to 15% of the total system cost. Installation and balance of system, BESS elements such as cooling systems, fire protection, and control modules account for 20 to 30% of the total cost. Regulatory compliance. Regulations such as IEC 62933 add certification and safety costs. Proper logistical planning and technology selection can optimize these costs. Some of my recommendations are: explore technologies such as LFP to reduce reliance on expensive materials such as cobalt. Take advantage of economies of scale by partnering with manufacturers that operate gigafactories. Strategically plan transportation and installation to minimize logistics costs. If you are looking for strategies to optimize the cost of your BESS systems and maximize the profitability of your projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's make your projects sustainable and profitable. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and keep learning about BESS systems.